Hello and Happy New Year. My name is Marcel and this is Bojagi Soap making video. So, Bojagi is a Korean word for a wrapping cloth. It's a cloth with beautiful designs and usually in a square shape. People traditionally use this bojagi to wrap various things, but mostly for wrapping the gifts. Now, there are lots of bakers in Korea making bojagi cakes, and tutorials on how to make the Bojagi cakes are available on YouTube. Since I get some inspiration from cakes and cake decorations, I wanted to make a soap with this beautiful design. To make the soap, I used various colors of soap dough and just plain white soaps that I have made 2 days ago. Here, I am making a very thin slice of the soap, and it was so hard for me to make this. I tried several times to make this paper thin soap that I can fold like a cloth, but I actually quit it a lot because if the soap is too thin, it gets either too sticky or too hard, so it breaks before even folded. I had to make the soap looking like an actual cloth, so it was very hard to make the smooth and paper thin soap. After a lot of attempts, I was able to manage the soap better, and I could finally wrap the soap with the soap cloth. This is what I learned from most tutorials on making the Bojagi cakes. I made 4 parts of the clothes, and their sizes don't have to be exactly the same. You can make the subclothes with 2 different colors, but there are so many different designs and ideas, so I really recommend searching Bojagi cakes on YouTube. Also, I made the knot so it gives the look that the cloth is tied on the top. After that, I started decorating the soap with the gold mica oil. There are a lot of amazing bakers who have made the Bojagi cakes, and some of them even draw on the cloth, but I'm not that artistic, so I just decorated the surface with little dots. Also, I add some flowers. I made those flowers with soap dough as well, and I had to tell you, the flowers so tiny, I could not make that many. And here are the final looks of Bojagi soap. I'm super happy with the soap. I think this is one of the most beautiful soaps I have ever made. I'll not say it's easy to make the soap, but once you know how to make the thin soap cloth, I think you can make this. If you enjoyed watching the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'm mostly into making soaps with beautiful designs, and if that's what you like, I have lots of videos coming. Thank you very much for watching the video. Happy New Year again, and I'll see you next time. Bye.